Today we're going to be doing a project where we are using overlapping shapes. So to start, I'm going to draw a heart. And a circle. And a rectangle. Now if we're looking at our paper, there's all of this space right here that's not being used. We want to make sure that we are using all of the paper. So I'm going to draw some more shapes. And this shape here that I just drew, that is an organic shape. It just kind of happens. It's not a shape like a circle or a rectangle or a square. It's just a shape. We'll do another circle right here. And we'll do one more skinny rectangle right here. Alright, so I have all of my shapes drawn. Now, today we are going to learn about different ways we can group colors. So, we're going to group our colors by warm colors and cold colors. So, we have all of our regular colors. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. We are going to separate these colors by warm colors and cool colors. So when we think of warm, we think of nice reds, oranges, and yellows, kind of like a fire. That'll keep us nice and warm in the winter. So these are our warm colors. Our cool colors would be colors like blue, green, and purple. Alright? For our project, our background is going to be made out of cool colors. Our shapes are going to be colored with warm colors. So, we're going to start with a red. And I am going to outline the shape of my heart. And then I'm going to color it. And when I color it, I'm going to keep my crayon strokes all in the same direction. This is how we're going to build our craftsmanship. By building the habit of always coloring in the same direction. And it's okay if every now and then you end up going outside the line. So we can fix that really quick. Never even know that I went outside the line there. Remember, we're coloring it all in the same direction and we're filling in all the white space. Now, I have two sections of my heart that have overlapping shapes. So what we're going to do with these two shapes that are overlapping is this overlapping part is actually going to be the color orange. And that is because if we mix red and yellow, we get the color orange. And once again, I am going to color it in the same direction. Alright, my yellow is going to be used on this next shape. Once again, I am outlining my shape, but then I'm going to use the same direction when I'm coloring with this color. Now I don't have to keep it the same direction as I did with the heart. So this time my strokes are going a little bit more horizontal than they are diagonal. They are going in the same direction as the rectangle. I'm making sure to fill in all my white spaces. And once again, I have come to a part where it's overlapping another shape. So this is going to be outlined in orange. And I know this part right here is going to be outlined in orange as well. So I will go ahead and color it. Alright, I'm going to take my yellow I'm going to come over here as well and go ahead and do this weird shape. Now, when you have a shape that has curves to it, you can have your coloring follow those curves. You don't have to keep it straight or at an angle. You could have it follow the curves as you fill in the space. We want to make sure we fill in all the white spaces. This piece right here is going to be yellow. Pick up the orange again. And our red. Alright, so we have used all of our warm colors to color in our shapes. Now it's time to use our cool colors. So I'm going to use the colors purple and green. Alright, so on this side of our shapes, I'm going to color green. I'm going to do it going up and down the entire side of the picture. Straight up and down. We have to take our time with it. We don't want to get sloppy. We've done one side of our cool colors, nice and light. We could go over it darker if we wanted. But again, we want to make sure that we're going in the same direction each time. So now we're going to do our purple. We're going to do it in the same direction again, but this time I'm going to go horizontally. And there we go.